welcome to my semi-empty like home tour or whatever. It's a few little things in here as you will see, but not much. They actually come in to deliver my things this morning, so I said let me hurry up and do this so y'all can see. So after you come in my front door, this is what you see. A little mat, a little ottoman right here that you can sit on, and it goes for your shoes. You can wear your shoes downstairs in my house, but you can't wear them upstairs because I have carpet. So from the door, looking in, you have the steps right here. To your left is the formal dining room, which I'm not going to actually use it as a formal dining room. I'm going to make it my office, so I'm going to change out the chandelier. I've already seen one and priced it on Lamps Plus, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and get it and have somebody come out to actually install it. So walking straight, you come into my living room, which fireplace, TV area, all that kind of stuff. I have to get my TV mounted. Then you come into eating kitchen. Don't mind my curtains. I need to just put something up there, so I have to steam them. And then this is my kitchen right here. See my little cookie jar I'm getting, and I have to continue to fill it up. That's work. And then I have to find some more. And then going that way takes you back into the formal dining room. Here's my pantry. It ain't really nothing in here yet, of course, but we're going. She's gonna be full. Some of my little bar items and everything else. I gotta wait for them to finish bringing the rest. And my bar cart will actually be here on Tuesday. So this right here is just another little storage closet. Down here is the guest bedroom, which is crazy because it's the only bedroom that doesn't have a light in it. But I saw some really cute ones at Pier 1 that I think I'm gonna get. This is the guest bathroom. So gotta put up my shower curtains and stuff. So this takes you out to my garage. Where the light is at? So garage, trash cans, y'all know the norm. So going back down the hallway, we come upstairs. My boys are still asleep. So right here is an extra little storage linen closet. This right here will be my closet room. You know, if you've been rocking with me, you already seen that. Got a little walk-in closet. Next, this is my youngest son's room. Older son's room. So we air mattressed it up, y'all, like it was real. Laundry room, just got my washer and dryer delivered yesterday. Gotta find some kind of system for all my laundry detergent and stuff or whatever. And then this is my boys' bathroom. Then my room, come up, has the double doors. And then you come into my bathroom, tub, makeup stuff. Y'all know how I do. Gotta wash all these brushes, toilet, shower. Walk-in closet, which just kind of has all the stuff that was from my car. I want to actually redo the bathroom stuff in there. I mean the actual closet. There's just a linen closet. But I actually want to redo the closet. So I'm thinking about it. But we'll see. So, little quick snippet of my home. I will be doing a house to home series as we go through each room of my house, and y'all can get to see mess.com this morning, but whatever's. Check all these lights off. But yeah, so I'll be doing the house to home series, and from there I'll take you through like each room as I decorate, and I'll let you know where I got all the stuff from just in case you're interested. And from there we'll go on. But I'm excited for this new adventure, this new home. Like I can't wait to like really get started and get everything together. It's like so dope. I can't wait for them to deliver my stuff though, because this not having furniture stuff is really not the move for me. But yeah, other than that,